my iron generator. And I cannot take any items from here, but only 2 items. So I'm gonna get the solar panel, and then what am I going to get next? Alright, I'm just gonna get the rainbow boots, and then yeah. So yeah, that's all I can take right now. But yeah, so what I recommend is like the rainbow boosts. I'd say this is one of my most favorite things in the like in armor, because like the rainbow boots, if you just keep spamming the jump button, it's like you can float like this. I'm not even using any wool right now. And I got to the other side. Like, imagine you were in a game, you got the rainbow boots, and then you could start getting like emerald and stuff. Yep, I'm just gonna go over here. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep placing like these solar panels. So yeah, I'm just gonna place solar panels all around the map, and then I'm just gonna collect them. But I can't touch them yet, because if I touch them already, then they're gonna give me thousands of emeralds. So yeah. Dude, this is gonna be a lot. Dude, imagine the whole map was like this. Dude, I'm just gonna go around placing all of these. Dude. Dude, this looks so cool. But yeah. Oh, dude, the Diamond Guardians have appeared. Okay, that's enough placing for now. Don't you think my thumbs hurt? I'm gonna go with the tallest one. Okay, right now we can't touch any of these. So yeah. Right now I just need to get some wool. Okay, right now I'm just gonna try and beat the Diamond Guardian with only a wooden sword. So yeah, I'm gonna try. Oh no, I forgot to put like keep inventory on death. Alright, but yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my rainbow boots, and then I'm just gonna get my solar. No wait, I don't need solar panels anymore. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this cool light sword. Like, yeah, I actually like this light sword because this is how it works. It's like it works as an arrow, but instead of an arrow, it throws that. How much damage does it do exactly? Don't ask me. I bet it's a lot. Hold on, I'm gonna try on the Guardian actually. Dude, I'm also gonna try and cover the whole map with wool. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna try next. How far away from the void can I build? Let's find out. That's not pretty far. I was hoping like even farther. Wait, what? No! Oh, come on! Never mind. I don't need to worry. I can switch that out. You know, I'm just gonna go replace this sword with something else. Okay. I'm gonna replace it with a dowel. Yeah, if I have the dowel, boom! I can just do that. But yeah. So yeah, right now we're just gonna go ahead and wait. Where's my emeralds? No, where are my emeralds? Okay. That was a quick defeat. Okay, just gotta build fast, cause you gotta build fast. Dude, you guys have no idea how hard I'm spamming right now. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go around the map, just spending my money. Can I do this in midair? Never mind. Let's see how many. Oh, dude, this is a lot. This is a lot. Let's walk over to the fancy side. Hey, no. Oh, wow. Dude, I think I might have broken a world record. I don't know. But dude, this is so much emerald. I might have broken the world record for that most emerald hold. The most emerald that has been holded in my inventory. But dude, you guys, wait, actually I think someone already broke the world record because all they had to do was just type in /give a random their username in emerald in stands for infinity if you don't know. Yeah. And then like they just got infinite emeralds for life. But yeah. But right now I hope I actually broke the record. Dude, I'm literally glitching. I can't see. Like 1,000, like 10,000, I think. Yeah, I want to get to 10,000. Wait, I have a question. How far can we leap? We leaped! I actually used my rainbow boots though. But dude, we got 10,000. Dude, I'm just gonna screenshot this. Bro, we got it. You know, I hope I actually broke a world record. I'm gonna try and do it backwards. Okay. Dude, this is like so much emerald. What do I do with it? Dude, I'm just leaving trails of wherever I go. Do you want to know another way to get like so much emerald? Just put this in the chat. /give Bed Wars. Wait, nope. /give Bed War Legend Emerald in. So yeah, now I can just go around the map doing this. I'm literally wasting all of my emerald. Oh no. Boink. Just put this. Wait, what? No. Turn that off. Dude, I'm just gonna try and spam as fast as I can. Dude, it's glitching. I'm spamming so fast. Dude, stop glitching. Stop glitching. Dude, let's go. You know, I'm gonna replay. Oh, dude. As I was saying, I'm just gonna try and repay the Diamond Guardian with the stuff I stole with Emerald. I hope he likes Emerald. Let me just put all of that. But yeah. No, Diamond Guardian, I just want to give you this. What if I give you these? Oh, he doesn't fight. Dude, he doesn't do anything at all. Oh, I know that. I know. I hope the Titan actually would accept my emeralds. It's raining emeralds. Hold on, Diamond Guardian, please chill out. So much emerald, don't know what to do with it. You know what you should do? If you have so much emerald, just throw it in the trash. Fill the boat. Never mind. Yes, we did it. Hey Guardian, what's up, my friend? Yes, sir. I'm gonna give you some. Oh. Hey, you ruined my emeralds. This is what you get for turning off my Cocomelon. Hey, this is what you get for turning off my Cocomelon. You know what you get for turning off my Cocomelon? I'm just gonna do something else. Wait, what is this? Break speed, axolotl, damage orb. What about the black hole orb? Then I am going to try and add. What should I add? What should I use? Actually, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this camera. Add there. Yoink! That's what you get. No, not me. Well, I did nothing to the.